Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study mathematics topic multiplication, and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Bisht. Let us start our class. Children, what is multiplication? It is the repeated addition of a number. Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign X. Multiplication is shown by the sign X. The result of multiplication is called the product. The result of multiplication is called the product. Now, children, let us understand the multiplication concept with the help of these examples. There are three boxes, as you can see in the picture also, and there are 2 eggs in each box. So how many eggs are there in all? See children, there are two methods to find the number of eggs in all. So let us start. Method 1. Here we add the number of eggs in each of the box. Let us do it. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So there are 6 eggs in all. Look, here we repeatedly added 2 3 times to get the answer. Now, let us see method 2. Here, we would be multiplying the number. Let us see how. There are 3 boxes. Each box has 2 eggs in it. So here, we multiply the number of boxes with the number of eggs. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Thus, there are 6 eggs in all. It can be read as 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Or 3 times 2 is 6. Or you can say that 3 2's are 6. Children, here 6 is the product of 3 and 2. Now, let us look at another example. There are 4 boxes and there are 3 stars in each box. So, how many stars are there in all? Children, to get the total number of stars, we add the number of stars in all the 3 boxes. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. That is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Or you can say that 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Children, now let us learn some multiplication properties. Property 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Let us see some examples. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here we multiplied the number 2 by 1 and we got the answer as 2. That is the number itself. Let us see one more example. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Here we multiplied the number 3 by 1 and we got the answer 3. That is the number itself. Hence, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Property 2. Any number multiplied by 0 gives product equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 gives product equal to 0. Let us see some examples. 12 into 0 is equal to 0. Here we multiply 12 by 0 and we got the answer as 0. Let us see one more example. 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Here we multiplied 6 by 0 and we got the answer 0. Thus, when we multiply a number with 0, we always get the product as 0. Property 3. Order property of multiplication. Let us understand this with an example. 4 into 6 is equal to 24 and 6 into 4 is also equal to 24. It means 4 into 6 is equal to 6 into 4. This is the order property of multiplication. It means even after changing the order of the numbers, the product does not change. Now, let us look at the ways to write a multiplication sentence. Children, there are two ways to write multiplication. First, horizontal multiplication. Second, vertical multiplication. This is called as horizontal multiplication and this is called as vertical multiplication. Now children, let's do some questions. Question is multiply by repeated addition. A part. Question is 4 into 7. Here 4 into 7 means 4 times 7. So we add 7 4 times. That is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 28. B part. The question is 2 into 6. Here 2 into 6 means 2 times 6. So we add 6 2 times. That is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Next part 3 into 8. Here 3 into 8 means 3 times 8. So we add 8 3 times. That is 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Now let's do some more questions based on multiplication properties. Question is fill in. A part 4 into 0 is equal to dash. Children, as you have already learned about multiplication properties, so any number when multiplied with 0, we will always get 0 as a product. So here 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So we write 0 here. Next B part 4 into 8 is equal to dash into 4. Children, do you remember order property of multiplication? That even after changing the order of the numbers, the product does not change. So, 4 into 8 is equal to 8 into 4. So, here you will write 8. Next, C part. 1 into 6 is equal to dash. Here, you know that when any number multiplied by 1, we get the answer as the number itself. So here 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So we write 6 here. Now children, move on to the next topic, that is multiplying two-digit number by one-digit number. So here children, we start multiplying the ones and tens one by one. Now children, look at the given example. 34 multiply by 2. So first we multiply the ones by 2. That is 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So we write 8 under ones. Now we multiply the tens by 2. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So, we write 6 under tens. So, 68 will be our answer. Let us take one more example. Look at the example. 16 multiplied by 4. Here, we multiply the ones and tens one by one. Then we add the carried tens. So first we multiply the ones by 4. That is 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So we write 4 under ones and carry 2 tens. Then we multiply the tens by 4. That is 1 into 4 is equal to 4. And we add 2 to the product. That is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then we get 64 as answer. Now children, our next topic is multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Children, here you will multiply the ones, tens and hundreds one by one. Now let us understand this with an example. Look at the example. 246 multiplied by 3. Here, first you will multiply the ones by 3. That is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Write 8 under ones and carry 1 10. Then you will multiply tens by 3. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Add 1 to the product. That is 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. So write 3 under tens and carry 100. Then you will multiply hundreds by 3. That is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Add 1 to the product. That is 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Then write 7 under hundreds. So 738 is the answer.